What's going on, everybody? Unfortunately, can't be around to trade today, so we're going to go ahead and knock out the November recap, where we're going to go ahead and look live into the Interactive Brokers account online, as well as the TraderSync stats for the month of November as we head into the last month of the year, and hopefully going to end the year on a strong note. So let's break it down. Let's go. Okay, so as always, we're going to start with the TraderSync stats first, as we do in these videos, show you what happened in November. 3.64 profit factor for the month, only 26 trades, so less than one a day there in November, unfortunately. Cumulative net return, this is after commissions and fees and all that, came out to 889.71 with an 88.46 win rate. And if we go all the way down here to the bottom, a total return of around 972. It's always a little bit off the actual when you include interest and rebates and things like that throughout the month. So just a little bit under $1,000 there last month in November. If we look at the month, we actually started off kind of rough. Let's go ahead and get into the calendar for November. So if we look at the month, we actually started off a little, kind of on a weird note. We had two really good days to start, the 256, the 170, then lost $20, then had one trade, and then a whole week of basically no trading, then no trading on the 13th on Monday. Started that week off for me with a loss of 31, then two, fine winning days, and then we had a little bit of a bigger one on the loser there at 287, which is completely fine within, my regulations and where I need to be with my profit loss factor, but still, those are annoying. So that week I actually ended up with 5 trades and losing 150 for the week, but made it back the next week with just a bunch of small guys. You can see there, nothing big at all the next week, making 160 there. But then the very last week of November was a pretty good one, same as the first week, with the 90, the 48, the 133, and the 131 to close out that week with a total of 404, which gives the 88 or 889.69 there on the month here, coming out of the TraderSync calendar and stats. Okay, so if we go into the interactive brokers view here, you can see this is all the different tickers that I traded throughout the month. Obviously, it's not going to be that many when you didn't have that many trades. So here for the month, you can see what my totals were. I had a total of $972 in gross profits, paid $82 in commissions and fees, so that's where it comes out to the final there of the $889.71, and then there's different interesting things that we could look at down here. But that's how we get to just a little bit under $1,000 there on the month in November. So that's it, everybody. Just a quick little video today. We'll do a bigger breakdown for the end of the year. I don't know if I'll do a December video. I might just do the end of the year once we get through December. December's off to a decent start. We'll hopefully keep that going throughout the month. Really trying to get to the 5-figure goal. I would love to hit that. That would be the first time I actually have ever hit that for the year. So that would be a good sign going forward. Hopefully can push that through in November, as long as we don't get too slow, especially going into the hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I will see you